Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Wix website link. So let's get started. So I have here two methods that you can do that. One is from the Wix website editor and one is from the Wix dashboard. So let's start with the Wix website editor. So head over and publish your site as usual. So click on the publish right here. And then once you have click on publish, it will publish your site and it will pop up a window with your link right here. So click on view site. Then once you have view site, just click on this one right here, the URL. Then just copy that and then select and then paste that on the conversation that you want to share this link into. So the second method involves using the Wix dashboard. So just head over to your Wix dashboard, click on the website right here under the site and app. Once you're on the website, you can see in here your domain URL. So just copy that and then send this to a person that you want to share this into. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to share your Wix website link. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.